In the video game and HBO program The Last of Us, zombie-like infected people cause humans to strive for survival. The franchise's creators didn't have to seek far for inspiration. The show is based on a real-life species of fungus that exerts some degree of mind control over the insects that serve as its hosts. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel before continuing. Insects like ants or spiders can become infected by the cordyceps or zombie ant fungus known as Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. Similar to other parasites, cordyceps depletes its host's body of all nutrition before saturating it with spores that will enable the fungus to grow. The insect is then forced to climb to a higher elevation and stay there until it is ready to release these spores, which infect surrounding insects. According to Bryn Dentinger, curator of mycology at the Natural History Museum of Utah and biology professor at the University of Utah, the fungus is one of the best known and perhaps most frequently observed organism types with this capacity. And he added that although there are possibilities, scientists aren't exactly certain how cordyceps is able to have the impact that it has on insects. The physical manipulation of muscle fibers, for instance, and potential brain growth appear to work together to affect behavior, the scientist claimed. However, a chemical attack on the host that involves tiny molecules, proteins, or other substances that end up influencing brain function is also quite likely to occur. According to Dentinger, who enjoys HBO's The Last of Us adaptation, there are some significant discrepancies between how the fungus is portrayed in the program and in real life. For instance, cordyceps does not often spread to new hosts through the mouth, and sick individuals are not linked together by a network. The fungus cannot infect humans, which is likely the most significant factor. Our body temperatures are so high that the majority of creatures can't exist inside of us because their proteins would denature at such degree, according to him. However, some fungal species can survive in hotter environments and can consequently infect people. According to Dentinger, fungi are becoming more able to survive greater temperatures as a result of climate change. A fungus with similar mind control skills might eventually be able to endure the body temperature of a person. However, he added, to date, none of them are cordyceps. That may be one reason why we're seeing increasing fungal infections in human individuals, he said. However, it's possible it will happen in the future, but for now, it's not likely. And, according to Dentinger, there are already fungus species like psilocybin, also known as magic mushrooms, that can affect a person's ability to think. Other varieties of fungi are, however, already commonplace in human existence. Consider yeast, which is present in both bread and the human intestine. And while it's not implausible, Dentinger believes it's unlikely that fungi could control human behavior. The characteristics of the fungus that enable it to attack an insect host are particularly unique to that insect and difficult to transmit to other species. Because we are so unlike, it is improbable that they could jump from, example, an ant to a human. That's end for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Share with us in the comments down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.